Hello everybody, welcome to Fix Up channel. In this video I show you how to fix a broken power button without disassembly of your device. First, check your power sources. Remove the top cover in this way. Connect the two pins of the button. Use a tool like this or a piece of wire. Put the top cover back and press gently on all corners. Restart your device and press F2 to log in the boot settings. Move to Power Management, AC Behavior, and mark on Wake on AC on the right side of the screen. Press Apply. Now you can turn on your device when you plug in your AC charger.